I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space.
Welcome back to the channel. I have to run to Target. So my Christmas tree is still up. So I need to get a tote to put the Christmas tree up. I was just saying I wanted to buy navy. A little set. Oh look, they have everything. They even have... I'm looking for the black set. All the stars above. So comfortable. I want the black, all black, in the extra large, so it's super big and comfy. These pajamas feel so good. The girls on TikTok are saying that the Wild Fable straight leg jeans are a must buy. This is so cute, guys. I have a big baby now. Oh, which one? This? So cute. Shopping for babies. I want a headband for this too. I'm really into things that come with headbands. Look what I found.
I know that, man. Oh, it's probably talking about that.
We like the Disney baby books. Fave. 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 Some really good books. Thank you.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember